Hey, Mia. Do you have any plans this weekend?
Not yet. I'm still thinking about it.
Really? I want to do something fun.
What do you want to do?
Maybe I'll go to the park on Saturday.
The park sounds good. Is the weather going to be nice?
I think so. It should be sunny.
Great. I like sunny weekends.
Me too. I don't want to stay inside all day.
Same here. I stay inside too much during the week.
Do you want to come with me?
Maybe. What time are you going?
I'm thinking about 10 in the morning.
That's a little early for me.
What time is better for you?
Maybe 11 or 12.
Okay, 11:30 sounds good.
Perfect. What should we do there?
We can walk around and get some fresh air.
Can we bring coffee?
Sure. There's a small coffee shop near the park.
Nice. I love coffee on the weekend.
Do you want to eat lunch after that?
Yes, but nothing too expensive.
Of course. We can get sandwiches.
Good idea. Sandwiches are simple and cheap.
Do you like turkey sandwiches?
Yes, I do. But I also like chicken sandwiches.
I usually get chicken.
Then maybe I'll try one too.
What are you doing on Sunday?
I need to clean my apartment.
That doesn't sound very fun.
I know, but I need to do it.
Do you have a lot to clean?
Not too much. Just my kitchen and bedroom.
Maybe you can finish in the morning.
I hope so. I want to relax in the afternoon.
What do you like to do when you relax?
I usually watch a movie or read a book.
That sounds nice. What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies. They help me feel happy.
Me too. I watched a funny movie last weekend.
Was it good?
Yes, it was really good.
Maybe I should watch one this Sunday.
Good idea. You deserve a break.
Thanks. What about you? What are you doing on Sunday?
I might visit my parents.
That's sweet. Do they live nearby?
Yes, they live about 20 minutes away.
That's not far.
No, it's easy to visit them.
Are you going to have dinner with them?
I think so. My mom may cook pasta.
Pasta sounds delicious.
It is. She makes really good pasta.
Lucky you. I may just order food.
That sounds good too. Sometimes ordering food is nice.
Yes, especially after cleaning all morning.
So, Saturday is the park, coffee, and sandwiches?
Yes, that sounds like a nice plan.
Great. I'll text you Saturday morning.
Okay, see you then. Let's review the conversation with a few easy questions. What is the conversation mainly about? What do they plan to do on Saturday? What time do they agree to meet? What does Mia need to do on Sunday? What might the man do on Sunday?